This year, we want to recognize a special group that has had a big impact on our success. Our engineering department, with a combined experience of over 287 years at Mission, uses science and practical knowledge to help us operate more efficiently, save money, and be kinder to the environment. This crackerjack team designs, builds, and maintains machines, buildings, and systems that produce the garments, linens, and products we deliver to our customers. This team does not walk on water, but has saved over 80 million gallons of water. They are not lightning rods, but have saved 2 million kilowatt hours of electricity. Sometimes they are full of hot air, but they have saved 1.2 million therms of natural gas a year. Without this team, Mission Linen would grind to a halt. Several things distinguish our engineering crew from the competition. A small road crew that can respond to situations in a timely manner. A parts department that inventories thousands of parts, allowing us to respond to equipment failures in days rather than months. Refurbish key equipment including ironers, stack and stores, score systems, wastewater controls, and folders. A hard-working team that likes to make things work. In 2012, the engineering department took on more than 250 projects. In the past 7 years, we figured that this crew has successfully completed 950 projects that consisted of roughly $60 million in upgrades and renovations. We'd like to highlight just a few projects that stand out as monumental achievements. The Albuquerque Fire. Few natural disasters cause more damage than fire. A number of years ago, spontaneous combustion triggered a massive fire in our Albuquerque, New Mexico plant. Within minutes, the fire swept through the plant, destroying the building infrastructure and thousands of garments. Despite an immediate response by our engineering team and risk director, the fire resulted in more than $1.5 million in damage. 5 days later, the electrical system was fully operational, and within 17 days, the engineering team had restored pre-treatment systems and the space enough to resume production at the site. While the plant was inoperable for 17 days, the production was handled at the Flagstaff, Arizona plant. Within 6 months, Albuquerque was fully operational, with a new infrastructure and a fire prevention system, including climate control, to minimize our risk in the future. The Oceanside Washroom. One of Mission's oldest plants, Oceanside, California, badly needed to update its 45-year-old washroom. In 2005, our engineering team went to work to reconfigure and build a state-of-the-art washroom. They did so without any work stoppage on the production floor. The original washroom was divided by multiple aisles leading to the washers. Our operators needed to navigate this maze carrying 5-gallon buckets of hot starch and bleach. The refurbishing project, which took place over 8 months, included installing 3 new Ellis washers, 2 CLM2 dryers, ironer, new food and beverage vac sort system, motel sort, washroom, storage rails, a reuse water system, boiler stack economizer, as well as all new pumps and tanks. The job required comprehensive plumbing and electrical work with an emphasis on reusing items wherever possible. The new washroom not only resulted in a much safer environment for our employees, but also increased our throughput by decreasing washers' run times from 53 minutes to 9 minutes, and reduced water usage from 3.3 gallons to 1.9 gallons per pound. Chino Soft Roll. Back in the 90s, our industry introduced a new way to process and track garments as they move through the wash cycle. A company called IPC manufactured the first system and installed it in our Chino plant. At the time, the experience was like using any product introduced to the market for the first time. There were a lot of problems. Our engineers did their best to fix them, but it was soon determined that we needed to find a different solution. Mission decided to purchase Softroll and install it at our Chino facility while the IPC system was still in place. This was a tricky proposition, but our engineers introduced a creative solution that took 8 months to implement. Today, the Softroll system in Chino has helped us to reduce labor, improve consistency, and automate our process. This new system processes up to 25,000 garments per day with a barcode system that provides better controls around inventory, invoicing, and quality control. Several depots, including Palm Springs, North Hollywood, and Kearney Mesa, take advantage of Softroll and receive daily deliveries to meet our customers' demands. Based on the positive results they've achieved in Chino, our engineering team began implementing another Softroll system in Sacramento in 2012, where it's up and running today. These are just a few cases that demonstrate the extraordinary drive and talent of our engineering department. Unfortunately, we don't have time to share them all. We hope you enjoyed hearing about how this remarkable team guides us to success and works hard to make a difference in all our lives at Mission.